Today I'm going to make a sketch body. It's so easy and fun. All you need to do is prepare pencils, paper, and erasers. Have your imagination come true in your paper. Well, watch the whole video to see the process, okay?
Cani Go. Cani Daddy TV.
Hi guys, today I'm going to make a sketch body. So this will be a sketch, yes. So this is like a style body, so let's go. I'm going to make. So first you're going to make the head. If you're done making the head, if you want to make ears, it's okay. If you don't want, it's okay. Also, now make the neck like this. Now it's for time to the body sketch. First make the line like this. Make sure it's just like this, not too long or too short. Make these like triangle, but don't make a circle in here so you can make like the shape of the body. Now make this thing. Now like this for the hips and do this. For the shoulders, you can like use the hands. You need to make these circles in this. Now we can make the feet. Now like this, make it like this. And now make a circle, or like I sometimes use circles or triangles, but you can just decide to use. Now make this. This is the little tricky, but this is for the last one. The feet. Now we can use with the hands. For the sketch of the hands, do like this. And make a little circle here. Now make the other hand like this. Now I'm going to make also a tutorial how to make the hands, because why not? Okay. So like this, and the first one. Sorry if it's bad. I can't really make hands, so it's okay. Now the other one, you can just copy the other one. Oh, sorry. Now if you're done making the hands, now we're going to make the feet. Wait a minute, I'm going to... Okay, done. The feet, this is my own style, so if you're gonna make your own style, it's okay. Okay, and done. Sorry if this a little messed it, so I think the feet is a little tall, but if you wanna remake it, it's okay. I think it's a little tall. So this is part 1, my first style. Sorry. This is my first style, so
If you want to see my other videos, will be in the next episode. So don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!